Hi everyone, let's make this fun and sweet Valentine's Day Scratcher. This is super simple to make. Just grab a piece of cardstock and write some cute sayings that you'd like to be revealed. Then get a clear piece of tape and tape over where you'd like to have the scratchers. Next, mix 2 parts acrylic paint with 1 part dishwashing liquid. Yikes! Please ignore the spill. Once thoroughly mixed, go ahead and paint over your hearts. Make sure to apply enough paint so that you can't see the words underneath. This might require more than 1 coat. Now set aside and wait for the paint to dry. You can add borders or any type of decorations you like to your card. Once dry, tape a coin to your card. Now let's see how easily these babies scratch off. Oh yeah, so satisfying. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll try this quick and simple way to make a Valentine's card. Please subscribe for more fun ideas. Bye!